A cluttered vanity can make your beauty routine feel stressful and disorganized. A good beauty organizer can change that, transforming your space into a serene and functional haven. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 beauty organizers that can help you keep your products neatly arranged while adding a touch of elegance to your space. If you're tired of rummaging through piles of beauty products, these organizers could be your perfect solution. Kicking off our list at number 1, IKEA GODMORGON Organizer. The IKEA GODMORGON Organizer is a practical and affordable option for those looking to organize their beauty essentials. Known for its versatility, this organizer features a clean, modern design that works well in most bathroom setups. With a focus on simplicity, the GODMORGON Organizer provides ample storage space while keeping your beauty items within easy reach. Its modular design allows for customization, making it a great choice for any vanity or bathroom area. Key features: the GODMORGON Organizer is made of durable, high-quality plastic and comes in a neutral white color, ensuring it blends well with any decor. The organizer features multiple compartments in various sizes, which are perfect for storing everything from makeup brushes to skincare bottles and perfumes. It also has non-slip feet, which help keep the organizer stable, preventing it from shifting when you access your products. Its modular nature means you can combine multiple units for a larger, more customized storage solution. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of the GODMORGON Organizer is its ability to streamline your beauty routine by offering a clear and accessible place for all your essentials. With compartments that can fit different product sizes, it ensures that every item has its designated spot. Whether you need to store foundation bottles, lipsticks, or hair care products, this organizer can handle it. The design encourages you to keep your products tidy, reducing clutter and making your vanity space more visually appealing. Its simple and practical design makes it perfect for daily use. Usability: the GODMORGON Organizer is easy to use and highly functional. Its lightweight construction allows you to move it around your space with ease. The various compartment sizes make it easy to store a wide range of beauty products, from small items like lip balms to larger items like lotions and makeup bags. It's also incredibly easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth to keep it looking fresh. This organizer is perfect for those who want to maintain an organized space without spending too much time setting it up. Durability: made of high-quality plastic, the GODMORGON Organizer is designed to withstand regular use. It's durable enough to hold heavy beauty items, such as large makeup brushes or full-size skincare bottles. The non-slip feet ensure stability, so your products stay secure. While the organizer is sturdy, it's important to avoid dropping it, as plastic can crack if mishandled. With proper care, however, this organizer will remain in excellent condition for years to come, offering reliable storage for all your beauty essentials. In the second spot, we have Sorbus Makeup Organizer. The Sorbus Makeup Organizer is a sleek and stylish storage solution designed to hold and display your makeup products. Made from high-quality acrylic, this organizer offers a clear and modern look that allows you to easily see all your beauty products. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for smaller spaces, such as countertops or bathroom shelves, while still providing ample storage. If you want an organizer that combines both functionality and style, the Sorbus Makeup Organizer is an excellent choice. Key features: one of the standout features of the Sorbus Makeup Organizer is its durable acrylic construction, which offers both strength and clarity. The organizer features multiple compartments of varying sizes, perfect for storing lipsticks, makeup brushes, and nail polishes. The clear design allows you to easily see your products, so you won't waste time searching for them. The organizer also includes removable dividers, allowing you to customize the storage spaces to fit your needs. The compact size ensures it doesn't take up too much counter space, making it ideal for smaller areas. Benefits and usage: the Sorbus Makeup Organizer excels at keeping your products neatly organized and accessible. Its clear design makes it easy to locate your items, reducing clutter and saving you time. The multiple compartments allow for precise storage of various makeup products, from compact foundations to eyeliner pencils. If you enjoy a minimalist look, the Sorbus organizer keeps your beauty items in view, serving as both a functional and decorative piece on your vanity. For best results, you can also use the organizer to store skincare products, brushes, and perfumes. Usability: the Sorbus makeup organizer is incredibly user-friendly. Its compact design makes it easy to place on any vanity or bathroom counter. The removable dividers make it simple to customize the layout, and the clear acrylic surface ensures you can quickly find what you need. Whether you're getting ready in the morning or tidying up after your routine, this organizer simplifies your space and streamlines your beauty process. Plus, the acrylic material makes cleaning effortless. Just wipe it down with a soft cloth for a spotless finish. Durability: the Sorbus makeup organizer is built to last, thanks to its strong acrylic material. Acrylic is known for being both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to handle while also capable of holding heavier beauty products. It's resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring the organizer maintains its clarity and sleek look over time. However, like any acrylic product, it can crack or chip if dropped, so it's important to handle it with care. With regular maintenance, the Sorbus makeup organizer will remain durable and functional for years to come. And finally, at number 5, we have Stacker's Makeup Organizer. The Stacker's Makeup Organizer is a premium storage solution that offers both style and functionality. Known for its modular design, this organizer allows you to stack multiple layers to create a customizable beauty storage system. Made from durable materials, it's perfect for anyone looking to keep their beauty products neatly organized while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Key features: the Stacker's Makeup Organizer features a stackable design with multiple compartments of various sizes. This modular setup allows you to add or remove layers based on your storage needs. The compartments are perfect for organizing makeup brushes, lipsticks, skincare products, and more. It also has a soft lining inside the compartments, which protects your beauty products from scratches while adding a touch of luxury to your storage system. Benefits and usage: the Stacker's Makeup Organizer's main benefit lies in its versatility. The stackable design makes it easy to customize your storage solution, allowing you to adjust the organizer as your beauty collection grows. The soft-lined compartments protect your products from damage, while the clear lid provides easy visibility. It's perfect for both makeup enthusiasts and those who prefer a minimalist approach to organizing their beauty items. Usability: the usability of the Stacker's Makeup Organizer is exceptional. Its modular and stackable design makes it easy to personalize based on the number of products you have. The organizer can be placed on top of your vanity or tucked into a drawer, depending on your space constraints. Cleaning is simple, as the material is easy to wipe down, ensuring your organizer always looks pristine. Durability: made from high-quality materials, the Stacker's Makeup Organizer is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures that it can handle the weight of your beauty products without losing its shape. The soft lining helps prevent scratches and wear on your products, adding to the organizer's durability. With proper care, the Stacker's Makeup Organizer will continue to serve you for years, offering a stylish and reliable beauty storage solution. And there you have it, 5 of the best beauty organizers that can transform your space and simplify your daily routine. Whether you're looking for sleek, customizable storage or something more compact, each of these options brings something unique to the table. By keeping your beauty products organized, you'll save time, reduce clutter, and make your beauty routine more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments which beauty organizer you're excited to try. Thanks for watching.